Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another one new video. So in this video I will showing you some important things on CodeBlocks. So CodeBlocks it's basically IDE, integrated development environmental platform. Sometimes CodeBlocks have showing some problem. Sometimes you can't make some project is here. So I need to uninstall this CodeBlocks software basically. So I'm showing here some problem. So if I to make a new project is here, so I'll select here a new project with console application, and need to go here the source language file is like C++ is yes fine, and here's the new project. So I'll make it the project name. So it's a new project. Yeah, I'll write down here the project name is new project, and make it finish. But you just look like here is nothing showing any project details. So that's the problem is here. So it's a very big problem. So I want to fix this problem. So I want to basically reinstall this problem. So how can I uninstall this software, and how can it's install again? So I'll showing you in these videos. So I'm just close the interface. Yeah, now I want to go to my computer control panel. My computer control panel. Yeah, now I want to go is the program file. All the program files is here. Here is the program and feathers. Then I want to go the main CodeBlocks installation file is here. So I'll just search, is this the CodeBlocks? So is this the CodeBlocks? Now click the right button, and here is the uninstall button. So I'll select here the uninstall. Yeah, now finally you need to write the uninstall button is here, then it's going to be uninstalled. You're looking, need wait some moment is here. Uninstall was completed successful. So you need to just close the button is here. Yeah, and here is just showing here is no CodeBlocks icon is here. So that's why you just make sure is this the CodeBlocks is successfully uninstalled, and here also nothing any no any CodeBlocks icon is here. So it's 100% confirm it's your CodeBlocks is perfectly uninstalled. So hopefully I will showing you another one videos to how can you download the software, CodeBlocks software, and how can you install the software as well. So you just follow my channel, subscribe my channel, like the videos, and keep stay with us. Thank you so much guys.